So the first thing I noticed when this came in the mail, this beautiful Back to Naturalness, 100% dry natural shampoo powder, totally organic. Right now, as you can see, my roots, I took a shower, but I did not shampoo my hair. And so the top is a little bit greasy. So I want to use this dry shampoo and see how it's going to make my hair look. So the directions say to lift this up here. It's really filled to the top. It's beautiful. You can see it's organic. Let's smell it. It smells really nice. A little bit of cocoa powder, maybe.
It does.
Okay, so now it came with this beautiful brush, and it's so cool. You push it.
Ooh, that's cool. I never knew you could
Keep it on it, please. Thank you. This is going on the internet, honey. Okay, so we pop right out. We have a super soft brush. If you follow me, Lou, we're going to dunk the brush in this powder like that. And then I'm going to, I think I used way too much because my hair is white. Okay, so I'm just going to brush that in a little bit. I didn't realize I did not need that much. Let me tap the side. I did read the directions. It said tap the side, so tap the side. Again, it smells really nice. And it was really greasy up top, you may have noticed. So now I'm just going to kind of rub it in together.
Wait, rub it like right over here, like where
Okay,
normally
thank you.
gets.
Yes, I get a very sweaty forehead, and it makes the top of my hair so oily. So this is really cool to give my hair a quick pick-me-up for a family
Mom,
get-together.
you have a...
Okay. So, wow. Oh my goodness. Are you seeing this? Oh my goodness. For real. Look at the top. It is looking so soft and refreshed. There's some volume. If you see this, it looks like it's been washed. The top, and it has height, which I love.
Hello.
See that? Wow. Okay. So now it does not look so greasy up top.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Wow. I can say I'm honestly shocked at the volume and softness.
Yeah, you can't see it. You can't even see any.
So we see, I'll keep it on my hair and get it close. You want to blend in any powder left. So you can see it close up. And if you can see this, look at that height and volume up top. I mean, it was really flat before. I think it looks fantastic.
Can you put it on kids?